already scratched my leather with this. No wonder it comes in a box, man. I'm careless. Hold on. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Miami Miles. My name is Mickey. In today's video, our little GT3 is getting a breast augmentation. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to be installing a very fruity rear end section of an exhaust in this beauty. Now, a couple weeks ago, I drove that GT3 RS and I fell in love. I was enthralled with the GT3 RS's IPE exhaust. So I figured, hey, this weekend, I've had this stupid exhaust sitting in my garage for the better part of 3 months. Let me save $600-700 bucks, and here in Hialeah, take my car, park it up in my uncle's garage, and attempt to do this myself. Now the question is, am I gonna it up? Well, I don't think so. But I want to show you guys really quick the exhaust. I've thrown it back here in the car. Ooh, look at that. Now you guys have probably seen a million rear end sections before. Something I noticed about this thing's like $2 or $3 grand, I don't remember, but it's pretty expensive. Look at the welds. AWE, could you not have done a little bit better than those welds right there, huh? I don't like that, you know, at the price point that I paid, but besides that, I hope it sounds incredible because I've heard other YouTubers and it sounds amazing. But something that AWE does do a good job on is these tips. Look at that, just the tip, baby. I love how that looks. I love how that looks, and that's just gonna be incredible poking out of this rear section. Now, I'm not a mechanic, but I would imagine that that's how it goes. Anyways, let's head over to my uncle's house and get this thing installed. I love how it sounds, but like, oh, there's a little pop-up from the tune. But the thing is when I drove that GT3 RS, I was like, wow, that's different, man. And I thought this car was super loud because when I switched from my 600 LT to this thing, it was a big difference. Because the GT3 is pretty loud, especially when you have the side muffler delete. But I want to make it stupid because this car, as you can hear, isn't that crazy until above like 5,000. Like here's first gear, right? Here, we're gonna give it the beans a little bit right here. It's a neighborhood, so we can't go crazy, but there's 7. I mean, it sounds really damn good. Oh, but still, man, I can't hear what that, or I can't wait to hear what that AWE thing's gonna sound like. Oh, look at our lift. Oh, dude, this is gonna be great.
How'd you feel doing that?
Stress. Stress. Anything we break is going to be expensive. So this guy, see, this guy's a mechanic, certified Porsche mechanic for 15 years.
I thought you guys were just a couple of Cubans.
No, we are. There's no certification here. I know. Alright, so now that the car is mounted up, all we have to do is remove this rear bumper, and you guys can come with me real quick. Alright, so it's actually not that hard of a job, but dude, that exhaust looks amazing. It's just really hot because I was just ripping it on the way here, but we got to remove this, and then we have 3 bolts there above, and 3 on this side and 3 on this side, and then a couple here, and that's it. So it shouldn't be that long of a job. Whoa. That's hot. Oh, look at that. That's insane, man. Oh. Is this a really hard piece of plastic. That's crazy.
Is it almost coming out?
Oh man, that's what she said. Because it ain't coming, man. I get what, $700 now. Yeah, it's a little bit harder than we thought.
2 hours later.
The whole thing is Woo! The baby. Holy shit. Yes. You see that, Angel? That requires
Mechanic Mickey over here. That requires.
German grease.
German grease hands. Look at the difference, bro. Let's see the weight. Okay. I'm curious. Oh wow, bro. Jesus. That's a big difference. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up. Look how sick that looks though. It's like 30 pounds. Bro. To get it out was hard. 1 hour. 1 hour to get it out. Bueno, let's double check. You want to see the instructions? Okay, where else is it gonna go? I don't know where to mount this exhaust, bro, and the instructions suck. So I'm watching this Obsessed Garage video, because he did his. That sounds really good. Look, we broke the vacuum hose on the side muffler that opens and closes the valves. So now we gotta cut it and create another one. It looks like the people who did it before actually broke it too, because you can see this is kind of like aftermarket right here, and they attached it here and then kind of twisted it with that little wire. But now we've got to put this on here, which is going to be difficult. So this, yeah, we're gonna have to take the whole thing off. Yeah, we gotta take the whole thing off. Left. We're gonna need a just need to get it in the hole a little bit. It's funny because like this, no problem. But no, actually even problem there. It's not right. I think we got a big problem. Yes! One side is done. Oh! Oh man. Look at that. We are done, ladies and gentlemen. Professional install job, Hialeah, Porsche certified. So now we're gonna mount this thing back in the car. So the center muffler's in, and all we got to do is the hoses, tighten up the connectors to the catalytic converters, and then center the tips, and we're all done, and we'll get the starter up. $700. Look at that. I say $700, but it's only been 4 hours? 5 hours.
4 hours.
Look at his face. Look at the battle wounds. Covered in dirt. Look at the floor. Angel, show what professional mechanics, how they operate. It is 3:20 p.m. and we started at 10:30. So yeah, about 3 hours. 5 hours. I don't even know, bro. So let's start her up real quick to see what she sounds like. That is much louder. That is much louder, man. All right, so we broke the clip for the vacuum on the exhaust valve that opens and closes the exhaust, so we gotta go pick one of those up, fortunately. Oh, we get to go in the little Lotus. One piece, bro. That's what it always is with these projects. One little piece.
Yep.
Out of all the things that could fail. What do we got? Alright, so this is what we need, but like smaller.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get one of each.
Just wait. Done, baby. Look at that. I need one, but I don't know which one I need.
Gonna go.
Look how dirty I got it last time I drove it.
Filthy.
Filthy,
The beauty.
yeah, man, that's a good looking car.
Two hours later.
Oh yeah. It's a good day.
It's a big smile.
It's a good day. Well, it's been 5 hours to install exhaust. I'm just excited to hear what it sounds like, man, on the move.
And these guys get to see that beauty in like 2 minutes.
So right there, it's much louder. But I'm gonna hit the magical exhaust button. Wow. I'm gonna like this. All right. Bro! Oh! I don't know what to say. I am flabbergasted for a couple $1,000. That's all this costs. Yes, please. Yes, please. Perfection is now even more perfect in this car. Now I'm going to start spewing nonsense. But Jesus Christ. Ladies and gentlemen, let me put these windows up, turn the AC on just a bit. So that's enough for today. I feel like, you know, it's been a few hours installing the exhaust and now getting it on and finally feeling the reward for putting in so much damn work. Anyways, thank you, my uncle. Michel, I love you. And let's you know, hit it really quick here. Back, down, first gear, last pull, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, go down below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe if you want to see more Porsche GT3 Touring content. Anyways, I hope that you have an amazing day. Take care.